Good morning, my dear children. In the last class, we have learned about sclerenchyma and their types. Now, let's see about complex tissues. Complex tissues. What is the meaning of complex tissue? Tissues that are made up of two or more different kinds of cells. Tissues are made up of two or more different kinds of cells. That cells are work together. The different cells are work together. That is called as the complex tissue. What is the meaning of complex tissue? Tissue that is made up of maybe two or more different kinds of cells. That cells are work together. That is called as the complex tissue. Understand? Okay. Already you know that. What is the meaning of tissue? What is the meaning of tissue? Yes, a group of cell is called tissue. A group of cell is called tissue. Okay. For example, our body is made up of many organs. Yes. Yes or no? Our body is made up of many organs. Like heart, lungs. These are organs, no? Yes. These are organs. Okay. What is the functions of heart? What is the functions of heart? To transport the blood. To transport the blood to all over the body. What is the help of heart? To transport the blood all over the body. Okay. And then what is the functions of lungs? What is the functions of lungs? Lungs only exchange the gases. What is the functions of lungs? It helps to exchange the gases. We intake oxygen and release out carbon dioxide. No. How it's happening? The help of lungs. The help of lungs. These two organs, which one? Heart and then lungs. These two organs are, many organs are present in body, but these two organs are work together. The both organs do their work at the correct time. Okay, like that. Plants contain xylem and phloem. Plants contain xylem and phloem. Xylem and phloem is called as the complex tissue. Xylem and phloem is called as the complex tissue. Why it is called as the complex tissue? Because they do their work at the correct time togetherly. Okay, these tissues are work together. Which one? Xylem and phloem. Xylem and phloem is called as the complex tissue. Why it is called as the complex tissue? Because these two tissues are to their function together. So it is called as the complex tissue. Okay. What is the help of xylem? What is the help of xylem? These two tissues are work together. Okay. Now what is the help of xylem? Xylem absorb the water and minerals. What is the help of xylem? Xylem only absorb the water and minerals. Water and minerals, where it is present? Good. From the soil. From the soil. In the soil. Water and minerals, where it is present? In the soil. The xylem only absorb the water and minerals from the soil to transport upward direction. Transport upward direction. Now understand? What is the functions of xylem? Good. Xylem only transports the water and minerals. Where? Transport the water and minerals from the soil to transport upward directions. Okay. And what is the functions of phloem? What is the functions of phloem? Now, phloem transports the food. Phloem only transports the food material. Where is the food material present? Leaves only prepare their own food. Okay. From the phloem only transport the food materials from the leaves to both upward and downward direction. Both upward and then downward direction. But xylem transports the water and minerals only one direction, that is upward direction. Transport only upward direction. But phloem transport food materials where? From the leaves to upward and then downward direction. Okay, we transport the food material from the leaves to upward and then downward direction. Okay, now you understand? Okay, xylem and phloem are found together. Xylem and phloem are present together. That is called as the conducting tissue. What is the meaning of conducting tissue? Xylem and phloem present or found together. It is called as the conducting tissue or vascular tissue. Conducting tissue or vascular tissue. Xylem and phloem present together. That is called as the conducting tissue. Okay. I recall, what is the meaning of conducting tissue? In plants, xylem and phloem present together. This is called as the conducting or vascular tissue. In plants, xylem and phloem present together. That is called as the conducting tissue. Xylem and phloem are present all over the plant. Xylem and phloem, where it is present? All over the plants. Xylem and phloem, where it is present? All over the plants. Okay, students, today have learned about conducting tissue. I hope you have understand this topic. Thank you.